In this video, you'll learn how to publish your website on Framer in just a few minutes, so you can take your project live and share it with the world instantly. First, go to framer.com and sign in to your account. Open the project you want to publish and make sure your design is ready, your content is in place, and everything looks exactly how you want it. Next, click the Publish button in the top right corner of the editor. Framer will give you two options. You can publish to a free Framer subdomain or connect your own custom domain for a more professional look. Now, if you're using a free subdomain, just choose your site name and hit Publish. Framer will instantly take your website live with fast hosting, free SSL, and global performance included at no extra cost. After that, if you want a custom domain, click Add Custom Domain in the Publish menu. Follow the simple DNS instructions Framer provides, and your domain will be connected in just a few minutes. Once everything is live, you can update your site anytime. Just make your changes in the editor and hit Publish again. Framer will push your updates instantly, with no downtime or extra steps. And that's it. Your Framer website is now published, fast, secure, and ready for visitors from anywhere in the world.